Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Amber is so stupid. What a scary, scary, scary redheaded. You know, that is a drink. The redheaded slut is a drink at the bar. And those are really good. I forgot what was in it. She is a PAB, she is. I can't stand the rain. Everybody get your umbrellas. Amber's in the chat. Girl, if you ballsy enough to come in my chat, you should be ballsy enough to click the link. Amber, come up. Oh, you didn't strike me. Bitch, you're a fucking liar. Take the link. You're a fucking lie. You're a lie. Who the hell else would have wanted to strike me? Prove that you didn't strike me. You can't because you got it done by all your fucking goons. Amber, click the fucking link. Why can't you click a link and have a conversation? In fact, I want to have a real, true, blue interview with you about your escorting days. Listen to me. I could be a rapper. I don't understand why we can't do a sit down. And I can be professional. There's a lot of good content in just your past life, Amber, that you tried to hide from everybody. Amber Rain, click the link. I want to have a serious, educational, not, and you did strike me. You have the opportunity right here, right now, maybe not in this live, but we can definitely schedule, because I've got some shit to do today. Another time that we can go live and have a conversation. You could take the reins into your own hands and direct this story in its entirety the way it really happened, or you can let me do it. Those are your options. Like I said, I could let everything go and just to do a professional interview with a past escort. I want to hear the craziest stories. I want to hear the nastiest, smelliest person that you had to get it on with. Purple turtle. The nastiest, smelliest person she had to get it on with was herself. Woo! Amber, click the link, you PAB. Why are you so scared? Thank you, Virgie, for the super chat. Thank you. Find Amber Rain's balls. We now have $22 in the fund to find the balls. Thank you, LK. Come on, y'all. Let's help find Amber's balls. We can't find them anywhere. Where are they? Nice try.
$22 in the ball fund.
That's it. We're going to keep it going. Oh, thanks, Mandyland. There, we have a huge ball contribution going. Thank you. Look, we're looking. We are all looking.
Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Hey! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Hey! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Hey! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball!
People really want to find her balls. I think she left them in the backfield and didn't want to go back for it.
Amber, your shit backfired again. Like, it's given us an opportunity to do another presentation. I'm making money off of going live, telling everybody you struck me. Your fucking plan backfired, bitch.
I am making a Find Amber's Balls poster.
Okay, good. Amber, you did too strike me. Don't fucking lie. And click the link.
Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified.